welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Supreme and Timberland camp cap. The color is purple color, and retail price on this is $48 plus $10 shipping fee, and then the tax on this is $4.20. So the total damage is $62.20. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. So I got two of this red box logo sticker. Then here it is. Yeah, this time around the bag is different. There's no hole punch. And here's the retail tag that comes with it. Since the store is open now, so this is a water-resistant cotton blend Supreme camp cap with Velcro mesh side pocket and embroidery logos. So on the front here, you got the Timberland logo and then Supreme. And you got the side Velcro with the pocket. So yeah, you got the two pockets, okay? Wow, it could be a long one, just one then, because there's no separation. So yeah, I'm not sure what you're gonna put over here. Money or something that is bifold or triple fold. There's a ventilation hole right there. And you got the Supreme with the quick release button right here. And then you got the adjustable buckle with the hidden strap. Just push in there. And here's the opposite side. Let's go ahead and check out the tag. Got this box logo Timberland with the Supreme. And tucked under there is the care instruction. Got the Supreme and then made in China. It's 60% cotton, 40% nylon. Somehow this one is not cardboard. This was a look around the inside. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any of the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.